Can Dollar Tree look high-end? I'll show you how. Today I'm grabbing my DIY paint to make these Dollar Tree Plus items, I think they were $3 each, into farmhouse high-end looking Easter decor. I'm using two different paints here today. I'm using first the yellow was the clay base paint by DIY from Debbie's Design Diary. It is clay based and it sticks to anything. This next color is actually a green that is cottage colors, and the pink is the cottage colors mixed too, that are an all-in-one one-step paint with a built-in sealer. I do 2 coats and then I can embellish them, distress them, add a little wax to make them even more high-end. I'll show you how. Cottage colors makes flips so easy because it's one step and you're done. We're coming out with 6 new colors on the 28th of March, which is just less than a week away. So make sure you stay tuned because the colors are insanely good. I can't even wait to show you. After my paint was dry, I took a sand block and just took off the top of layer of paint to show a little bit of the underside. Because these are metal and they have embossed design on them, it looks so cool. Now I'm grabbing whatever kind of Easter stuff I have, bows, little eggs, a carrot, and I'm just gonna, some floral, we're just gonna make them cute. These little bunnies are in my shop in Menominee Falls, Wisconsin, and they're also on my website, rusticrehabs.com. I'm a furniture painter and a reseller, and the key to making these things affordable is to use what you've got. Get that craft stash out and use it up. I hope this has inspired you to take some stuff you didn't think you could save and paint it and make it into something uniquely yours. Have a great day and see you on my next video.